OpenPoint Map makes it fast to find the jobs associated with a feature or the features associated with a job. We're going to find the jobs associated with this feature. We'll select it on the map. Now in the construction units pane, we have the feature selected, but we don't know which job. Therefore, the job layout screen is blank. We're going to click on the History tab to find out which layout there are for this feature in any job. Right now we're on Open Layout so that we can see that this T1001 job has a layout associated with this particular feature. If we want to know which closed jobs there might be for this feature, we click on the Closed Layout option in the dropdown, and we can see that there's a D1001 job that has a layout that's closed. Now we can easily select the job that we're interested in and edit the layout. If we go back to the Layout tab, we can select the T1001 job and view the layout. Another thing we might want to do is find the features that are associated with a job. Let's go ahead and bring out the jobs list. We're going to close the selected job, and we're going to look at this test job. If we click on Layout, we can see that there's layout across multiple features for this job. I'm going to click on the X button to go back to the job details section. And then we're going to click on Select Features in order to select all the features that are associated to layouts in this job. OpenPoint will find the features and then pan to the features in the map so that you can review all of the features that have layouts in this job.